Hi, good day. My name is Monito Ejeco, but you can just call me Miss Monet. I am a dedicated public school teacher with 10 years of experience handling 5th grade students teaching English and math subjects. It has always been my passion. It brings me great joy to guide students in their academic and personal growth. I earned my Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English from St. Michael's College of Laguna. To further enhance my skills and leadership in education, I pursued 39 units in my Master's in Education major in Administration and Supervision at Hiroyo Amang Rodriguez Institute of Science and Technology, Cavite Campus. Beyond the classroom, I take on various roles that contribute to the holistic development of our students. I am the school sports coordinator and elementary girls and boys athletics coach, where I supervise the students discover their potential in sports and physical activities. Currently, I serve as the grade level chairman in our department, ensuring smooth coordination and effective implementation of the programs. I also actively participate in extracurricular activities such as Boy Scouting and journalism, believing that learning goes beyond textbooks and exams. These programs help instill discipline, creativity, and leadership among our students. As an educator, I strive to inspire, empower, and create a positive impact on my students, preparing them not just for the academic aspect of their lives, and also for their life challenges. I am looking forward to continue my passion in teaching and learning, as well as the leadership in our community. Thank you and God bless.